Welcome to Scenic Spice, your gateway to the breathtaking wonders of Canada. Today, we will take you on a journey like no other, exploring the vibrant cityscapes, serene winter landscapes, and untamed wilderness that define this extraordinary country. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed. As the final hours of the year tick away, Edmonton transforms into a winter wonderland. A fresh blanket of snow covers the city, shimmering under the glow of streetlights. The temperature has dropped to a bone chilling minus 40 degrees. But that doesn't stop families from stepping out to celebrate. Wrapped in layers of warmth, they make their way towards Walterdale Bridge, eager to welcome the new year. Despite the freezing temperature, the spirit of celebration is alive. Parents pull their little ones on sleds, couples walk hand in hand, and groups of friends gather, their breath visible in the icy air. The snow covered trails leading to the bridge are bustling with anticipation as everyone hopes for a spectacular firework display to light up the sky. Walterdale Bridge stands majestically, its white lights glowing against the deep winter night. The river below is frozen solid, a silent witness to countless New Year's celebrations over the years. As the clock inches closer to midnight, more people arrive, their excitement palpable. And then, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the clock strikes midnight, and fireworks begin to burst into the sky. But something is different this year. The display, though beautiful, seems subdued. The extreme cold has taken its toll. Even the fireworks struggle to reach their full brilliance. Instead of a grand spectacle, soft bursts of color flicker and fade against the dark sky. Some cheer, others watch quietly, bundled in their winter coats. Though the fireworks may not have been in full swing, the warmth of togetherness make up for it. It's not just about the show, it's about the shared experience, the fresh start, the hope for a brighter year ahead. As the last firework fades and the crowd begins to disperse, Edmonton welcomes another year, not with a loud bang, but with a quiet, resilient beauty. This was a New Year's Eve unlike any other, a reminder that sometimes, even in the coldest moment, warmth can be found in the people around us. Thank you for joining me on this frosty but unforgettable night. If you enjoyed this journey, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking moments across Canada. Happy New Year, and see you in the next adventure.